Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete pins on Pinterest. Make sure to stick around till the very end so you can learn each step and easily remove any pins you no longer want on your boards. So let's get started. First things first, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you're on the homepage of the Pinterest, click on saved icon, which you will find in the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will take you to all the pins and boards you have collected. Now browse through your saved pins, and once you find the one you want to delete, click on it to open it. With the pin open, look for three dots icon. Now from the menu that appear, look for the option labeled as Edit Pin. Click on it. In the Edit Pin menu, scroll down and you will find this option of Delete this pin. Click on it and then confirm that you want to delete it. And with that, you have successfully deleted a pin from your collection. That's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.